So right now I'm sitting on about 45 pips. I did take partial, but I just wanted to show you my quick trade for today, October 14th. And um, I'm looking at the trend here. So it's going up, right? So higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, um, higher low, then higher low, and all the way to higher high. So only higher low when the higher low goes into a higher high. So this is the last higher low to a higher high. That's why this wick here retested. So I woke up at 6:30 today, and I saw that the London session, 1 in the morning, it retested this zone, the last higher low. So I woke up and I noticed it retested. I'm going to the 1 minute. It retested at well, 3 and 3:20. So at 3:20, it went all the way down to the last higher low. And then it bounced back, creating an engulfing trend, 3 candles, 4, and then just kept going up. And one thing here that you notice is that the the higher low created a little higher high, a little higher low, then a little higher high. So this is what you call a head and shoulders. So this is the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. So the left shoulder is created when this creates a resistance here, and then it broke it all the way here to the right side. So that's when you know the trend is going to switch, when the resistance becomes support. Okay, so it went up, and I woke up at 6:30, and I'm looking. So 6:30 is here, but you never want to trade between no man's land, and no man's land is this. So this is 6:30, and there's nothing here, right? So, but if you look to your left, this was the last support. It broke, it went back up to retest, and then it came back down. So it broke this little support and became resistance. So I woke up and I saw that this engulfing candle actually broke that resistance, and then it became support here. Change the color to yellow. Go to 1 minute, and so I woke up at 6:30 and I didn't do anything. Made my coffee, and then here you could tell that it broke the resistance from the previous and created a new higher high, higher high, higher high, and then it tested this higher low. But I'm not in yet because I'm looking and trying to figure out what it wants to do here between these two zones. So I'm looking at the resistance here, and you can see it retested, it went back up, but it did not break this resistance. So right now it was lingering here, and I'm thinking, okay, so it probably wants to go up or it probably wants to go down. So then you see this wick here, because I'm thinking the retail people like us, they're like, okay, so the last one did not break this one, so let me get it into a sell because I know it's not going to go down. And it went all the way down here for a few seconds. This is the 1 minute candle. And for a few seconds, boom, boom. So it grabs liquidity from retail people thinking it was going to sell. And when I'm saying grab liquidity, the markets, the big banks, they saw the sell orders and they grabbed this money and ran with it. So I saw this, and then I saw this engulfing candle, and then another one, and I'm like, I'm in, because once you see this trend, you know it's gonna go keep going up. So I had like a 8 pip stop loss, and it did not even move like 3 pips down. So it just kept going up, and I took partial around like 10 pips, 14 pips, and right now I'm sitting at 42 pips. But you can see that from my entry here, it went all the way up to almost 56 pips, and right now it's at 48 pips. So that's where I'm sitting. I'm just gonna let it go until the last higher high. See this engulfing candle? I'm pretty sure it's gonna go up to here, and it might do this. Probably gonna break, retest, and follow through to create another higher high.